I'm glad I didn't decide to quit YouTube because I love this shit. Good morning, you guys. It is currently 6:45 a.m. Today we're doing a full day of eating, intermittent fasting edition, because this is my life now. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I have a long day at work and then I have to come home and have a bunch of stuff I need to do. This is just a busy, on the go, full day of eating, intermittent fasting, and low FODMAP, of course.
Can you say good morning? Hi, sweetheart. Hello. You're so happy someone in the house is up. Oh. You're so cute, my baby.
You guys know I start off my morning with one of these always. I usually drink like 5 of these a day. I drink a full one of these before I start drinking any coffee or anything.
From the title, you can see that this is an intermittent fasting full day of eating. If you're a previous watcher of my videos, you would know that I was never a fan of intermittent fasting, but with SIBO, I heard it's really helped a lot of people. So I was like, I'm just gonna give it a try. So I break my fast around 11, 11:30, 12 o'clock, just kind of like depending on, you know, as long as it's like a full 16 hours from the night before. Sometimes I'll do like 17. I found that my body is really acclimated to it and it really helps my gut, surprisingly. We'll get into it a little bit later because I do need to rush because I'm in a hurry. And also something I'm not used to, black coffee. So I will just do about 3 stevias in there, because let me know if you guys would either drink your coffee black with like creamer or milk or black with stevia. I'm just gonna pour some of this and go. I just do coffee and water, and sometimes I'll do ginger tea in the mornings. I have a couple of tea bags that I probably will make for myself at work because I had a bit of a SIBO flare-up yesterday. It's 7:13. We need to go. I have work in 17 minutes, so I will see you guys when I break my fast. I bring my breakfast with me. It's like a breakfast lunch type situation. I'm gonna work out at the end and then just come back and have lunch anyway, so we need to go. Also, here's your reminder, drink your water today if you have not. Hello, you guys. The lighting in here is really bad. I'm in my mom's office. I'm about to break my fast. It's about 11:15. The first thing I have in the morning is a vegetable and a fruit. I'm sure you guys can guess what that reminds you of. Food combining. Oh my god, I said food combining. Yes, it's just something I like to do. I start with something light. I feel like it's really easy on my digestive system to get some fruits and veggies in before I eat my first meal. So I'm gonna have this, wait about a half an hour, then I'm gonna make my loaded oatmeal. I'm back again. It's time to eat some breakfast, lunch, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna look a little weird to you because I like pre-portion everything out, but it tastes really good, and I'll like insert a picture of it looking cute right here. So this is my loaded oatmeal. It has no added sugar and it keeps me full for a really, really long time. Kind of like low carb. I mean, in a sense, I have to eat low carb because of SIBO. So I'll show you how I put it together. So this is what I bring to work with me. I have 1/3 cup of oats, and I have a little bit of stevia in here as well as some cinnamon. I have an RX vanilla almond butter pack. You guys know I love these. I have a tiny bit of some Catalina Crunch to put on top because that's how I've been eating my Catalina lately. I have some unsweetened almond milk, a baby banana, and this is a weird mixture of like chia seeds, cacao nibs, and a little bit of the, if you guys can see them, the Lily's like dark chocolate, because I got my period today. Gotta have that. So this is what it ends up looking like. I need to go eat this and get back to work. Hi guys, I just got back from work. It's about 2:30 and it's a different day. When I was going through the footage, the lunch portion that I filmed got deleted. Anyway, I've been making this lunch like every single day and I love it. It's so good. It's plant-based. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. There's a lot that goes into this lunch. So I usually make it in bulk and then put it all together when I get home from work and stuff like that. Sorry about that. New day. Still look gross because I just worked out. Let's get started.
comes to cooking the tofu, I cook this before I add in the peppers and the scallion. So I'm gonna spray my pan with some olive oil spray. For the seasonings, I like it to be a little spicy, so I use a lot of the chili lime, a little bit of the liquid aminos, and then a little bit of this as well, because I mix these two for my dressing. It's so delicious. And then for the base of my salad, I use a bunch of baby arugula, and then I use these 0-calorie noodles. If you guys have ever seen these before, these are the ones that you need to rinse because they literally smell like fish. So this is like half of the other package that I ate from yesterday. I think these are like 15 calories per serving, but anyway, love the low carb because that SIBO life. Just added the onions. I don't cook them, and then I also just added the peppers to this one.
Wow, how are you like actually so cute? You guys see where his paw is? It's on the air conditioning vent. He lays there in the summer to cool off. Oh my god, you're so cute. I hope the viewers like you as much as I do.
Anyway, look how good that's turning out. I like my tofu nice and brown. I like it really nice and crispy too. Wow, how good does that look?
It looks so good. Do you want some tofu?
I came to my room. I wanted to eat at my desk because I have a job interview via Zoom in a few minutes, but I just kind of want to like look over my resume, go over some notes, and eat this and relax a little before I have that. So yeah, this thing is so good. Try it out. It's actually inspired by Hip City Veg in Philly. I literally go every single week. My boyfriend lives in Philly. That's why I'm there so much, for those that have asked. Make this, thank me later. Let me know if you guys try out any of the recipes that I make. And you guys know that I love to eat healthy and I love to make it not boring. And this is a really great nutrient-dense salad. I'm gonna eat this and I'll see you guys at dinner. Hi guys, I'm back. It's dinner time now. Tonight I'm making one of my new favorite meals. It's really easy. You only need a few ingredients and it's low FODMAP, which we love since that's all we can eat. So it's an Italian based meal. We're gonna start off with a substitute type pasta. This is edamame pasta. You guys can get this at Costco. I really like it. Or I'll use like chickpea, honestly just like whatever I have on hand. And then some peeled tomatoes. Usually I get half peeled, halved tomatoes. Yes. And then you're going to need a protein of choice. When I went grocery shopping, they didn't have turkey meat, so I had to get ground chicken meat, but typically I would use ground turkey. And then some spinach, however much or little you want. I'm just gonna start by simmering these in a pot, crushing up the tomatoes. I'll show you guys what I add to it. I cook the meat in some olive oil, salt, pepper. Obviously you guys can use as much garlic and onion as you want, but that doesn't work for me. Unfortunately, I have to make boring sauce, but it's actually not boring and it ends up really being really good. And then boiling my water for my spaghetti, and then we add the spinach at the end. So let's get started. So this is the pot I'm using for the sauce, and I just use some olive oil and then some olive oil in here for the the chicken. And then we are adding salt, pepper, parsley, and a lot of basil. I have all of our spices in there. The olive oil is simmering in here as well. Be careful while pouring. Whoa! So as you can see, these tomatoes take a little while to crush, but you can use one of these things. It makes it a lot easier. I'm just going to cover this and let this sit for a few minutes. Update, it's about 10 minutes later and the chicken is cooking. It looks great. Pasta is also cooking. The sauce is simmering, and I'm about to throw a really big handful of spinach in there as well. All right, so I just combined those two, and now I'm just gonna pour the sauce. And we mix. So this is the finished product. The sauce really did not come out good tonight, which is kind of a shame because I filmed this one, probably my worst one yet, if we're being honest. But I'm gonna go make myself a bowl of this. It's 6 o'clock now, it's 6:08 actually. I think I'm going to have a little bit of some So Delicious ice cream for dessert because a bitch needs it today.
again with some more food. Surprise! You guys, I love this stuff with all of my heart. Also, fun fact, when I eat ice cream, I eat it with a baby spoon. This is actually a spoon that I had when I was a child, but I always grew up eating my ice cream with a small spoon. This is no sugar added, dairy free, gluten free, low FODMAP friendly. We love, and it actually tastes good. The ones with like the blue caps are the no sugar added. I love the butter pecan with, oh my god, you guys have to try this, thank me later. Cinnamon toast crunch, Catalina crunch, and butter pecan. Oh my god, it's insane, you gotta try it. But anyway, sometimes I'll crush up like a little bit of Catalina to put on top, but I'm not really that hungry. So I don't even know if I said with the flavor, it's mint chip. Literally the best one there is. Whenever I find it, I buy it, even if it's like $8, because I'm a psychopath, so. It's just about 7 o'clock, ending my day of eating. I'll probably go to bed around like 11 or so. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more of these, have any intermittent fasting questions, feel free to DM me or leave a comment. And I'm glad I didn't decide to quit YouTube because I love this shit. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.